In this video, I'll show you 3 different ways to check your computer's IP address. The good news is that it's very easy to find your computer's IP address, and the process has been exactly the same, no matter what version of Windows you have. Go to Control Panel. Click the Network and Internet. Click the Network and Sharing Center. Click the Ethernet, or sometimes this will show up as wireless if you are connected to Wi-Fi. And then click the Details button. Your IP address will appear next to IPv4 address. Click the Start button, type CMD, then press Enter. The command prompt window will open, which you can type operating system commands through. Type ipconfig and press Enter. Look for the line that says IPv4 address right above subnet mask. If you're looking for the IP address of a home computer, the IP address will look something like this, where only the last 3 numbers will vary from computer to computer. In the system tray, click the network connection icon and click Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Properties. Scroll down, and look for IPv4 address.